Alright, y'all, real quick, since I don't see too many videos like this on YouTube, and I have to change my anvil clip here. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I don't know if you can see that, this piece here. So it's on my 3/8 electric gun. First off, we gotta take off this clip, get the old one off. This is what it's doing. It just slides right off. Usually it doesn't even stay on. It just slides off. We got something like an extension with the socket. It's too heavy. It just falls right off. So we're gonna change this clip. We're gonna use Tool Guys circlip and O-ring. So first we're gonna take this clip off. Use a pick. It's actually my first time doing it. So let's see if we can get it off. See, what happens is the O-ring that sits under the circlip, it goes bad, and you don't have the compression on your socket anymore because that O-ring goes bad. Holy shit. Oh, this thing is on there, right? Alright, so I got it off. So this is real time. This is no editing. Not yet so far anyway. So I got it off. The O-ring is already out of there. There's no O-ring in there. Make sure you clean it out. Any pieces in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. But there's no pieces in there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is slide the O-ring on. This little kit comes with like 2 or 3 O-rings in it and circlips. So we're going to slide this small little O-ring over it. This might be the hardest part right here. Okay, so I got the O-ring over it. So the O-ring is on there. And this little kit came with a tool. You just place the circlip inside of this tool here, just like that. Put your gun on here. I think this is how this goes. I don't even know. and put your gun in there with the circlip in there, and I think you're supposed to pound it in there. That didn't work. Okay, here we go. And the clip is on there. Ain't that some shit? That's decent. Oh wow. I'm glad I bought this tool, y'all. And it was only like, I mean, some people use sockets. I think they take the circlip, put it right here, and then they use a socket and knock it on there. But this thing worked. I think it was like $15 or something. I'll put a little description in there, but all you do is just sit it in there and pop the tool down in there, and it pops the circlip right over the O-ring. Look at that. So now we just put the socket on there. It's on there now. That motherfucker don't want to come off. That thing is tight. Matter of fact, it's too tight. Damn. There you go. So you ain't got to worry about that coming off or sliding off while you're working on the car ever again. Check it out. It's about tool, guys. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can check it out. It works. All right, y'all.